Yes.
Mommy!
Yeah, buddy.
Do you see my bike?
I see it. I want to see what it'll do. Oh, no, you wrecked it again.
Might be that texture on it.
Yeah, it's probably pretty different. What am I doing?
Yeah.
Bike to the doctor.
Take the bike to the doctor?
Huh.
The bike is hurt?
Huh?
Okay, oh no, bike, oh no. Oh, bike, are you okay? Oh, should we put it up there for a while?
Did you get it down?
I'll get down.
Oh, you guys. I thought it was stuck forever.
Mommy, knocking on down.